as great as your Club Ningara this summer.
Part of Southern Cross Australia, Australia's most listened to radio network. News and information.
Hi, it's Susie Thompson with the news at 6:30. Coming up, a major wet weather event.
Stubborn! Bingley is celebrating Australia Day early. Look for green and gold price tickets and grab a bargain. Heavy rain falling around parts of the so do slow it down and drive to the conditions, taking extra care. We're still seeing...
Travelling in from Dalby, through past Barnville, had cruise control set on 90, had a line of traffic behind me. The Subaru wagon that was the instigator of the little event had followed me pretty much all the way from Dalby, stayed behind me at 90, road train speed limit, through the first lot of overtaken lanes. A Hilux that was behind him came around me and went, no problems. A couple of cars went past, and then there was another black car coming towards me, and I just happened to check in my mirror as the black car was getting closer, and the Subaru's right beside the Troy on my lead trailer, and the black car's 150 metres away, just there was nowhere to go. So as I've moved over, the left-hand tyres have hit the edge of the asphalt, and because the shoulder is so steep, it just started to take the dog trailer away from me. So I just had to turn. If I hadn't moved over, would have been a head-on collision that probably would have ended up underneath my dog trailer at the back, with, well, 2 in the Subaru and I'm not sure how many in the black car, more than likely all dead.
Fuck me! You fucking idiot!
Young woman, drunk, out of control, almost sounded possessed at the Melbourne Cup. Security subdued her, but she couldn't stand. She ended, when she did get to her feet, she ended up taking swinging punches at anybody within reach. It's awful stuff. We've hidden her identity to protect her.
Oh, well done. Well done. What happened there? Okay, Jess, Chris, listen, mate, I was just wondering, can you give me a call?